Creating woodworking crafts with minimal tools can be a deeply fulfilling and inspiring endeavor, driven by a variety of motivations that resonate with both practicality and creativity. The inspiration for such projects often begins with the desire to transform simple materials into functional and aesthetically pleasing objects, showcasing the beauty of wood and the artistry of craftsmanship. For many, the act of working with wood is not just about the end product. It's about the process itself, the tactile experience of shaping and molding materials with one's hands. This hands-on approach allows individuals to connect with the natural world in a profound way, fostering a sense of appreciation for the resources available to them. Minimal tools can often lead to innovative design solutions, pushing creators to think outside the box and utilize their imagination to solve problems creatively. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of woodworking crafts project design ideas crafted with minimal tools. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of woodworking with limited tools lies in the freedom it provides to explore basic techniques and develop fundamental skills without the intimidation that can sometimes accompany complex machinery. Beginners, in particular, may find that starting with a few essential hand tools, such as a hand saw, a chisel, and a hammer, enables them to focus on mastering the craft without becoming overwhelmed by technology or advanced machinery. This simplicity can inspire a sense of confidence, encouraging individuals to take on projects that might initially seem daunting. As they gradually build their skills, they often discover that the limitations imposed by minimal tools can lead to unexpected creativity. For instance, a simple hand saw can cut intricate shapes, and a chisel can be used to carve delicate details, allowing for a personal touch that machines may not replicate. Moreover, the philosophy of minimalism itself can serve as a powerful motivator for those creating woodworking crafts. As more people seek to declutter their lives and embrace simplicity, the idea of crafting functional items with fewer tools aligns beautifully with this mindset. Minimalism encourages individuals to prioritize quality over quantity, focusing on creating meaningful pieces that serve a purpose rather than accumulating objects that may not be needed. This approach to woodworking fosters a deeper understanding of the materials used, prompting creators to select woods that resonate with them personally, whether it's the warmth of pine or the sturdiness of oak. The choice of wood can influence the design and character of the final product, further inspiring the creative process. In addition to personal philosophies, the environment plays a significant role in inspiring woodworking projects crafted with minimal tools. Many individuals find inspiration in the natural world, drawing ideas from the beauty of trees, landscapes, and organic forms. The textures and colors found in nature can spark creativity, encouraging makers to replicate those elements in their designs. Whether it's the gnarled branches of a weathered tree or the smooth lines of a river stone, these natural inspirations can lead to unique and artistic interpretations in wood. Furthermore, the sustainable aspect of using locally sourced or reclaimed wood can add an additional layer of motivation, as creators align their projects with eco-friendly principles, reducing waste and honoring the resources they utilize. Community also plays a vital role in inspiring woodworking crafts with minimal tools. Engaging with others who share a passion for woodworking can lead to the exchange of ideas, techniques, and encouragement. Many woodworkers find inspiration in the works of their peers, whether through local workshops, online forums, or social media platforms. Observing the creativity and ingenuity of others can spark new ideas and motivate individuals to try their hand at projects they might not have considered on their own. This sense of camaraderie fosters a supportive environment where makers can share their successes and challenges, creating a collective spirit of learning and growth. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The accessibility of woodworking crafts with minimal tools also inspires many to embark on their projects. In an age where technology often dominates, the simplicity of woodworking offers a refreshing alternative that is both approachable and rewarding. Individuals are drawn to the idea that they can create beautiful items with just a few hand tools, tapping into a sense of self-sufficiency that is increasingly valued in today's fast-paced world. This accessibility encourages experimentation, as even those with limited experience can dive into woodworking projects without a significant financial investment. The ability to create something from scratch provides immense satisfaction, reinforcing the notion that anyone can be a maker, regardless of their background or skill level. Additionally, the therapeutic aspects of woodworking cannot be overlooked as a source of inspiration. The act of working with wood can be incredibly meditative, allowing individuals to disconnect from the stresses of daily life and immerse themselves in the creative process. The rhythmic motions of sawing, sanding, and shaping can provide a sense of calm and focus, making woodworking a valuable outlet for self-expression and relaxation. This meditative quality often inspires individuals to explore their creativity more deeply, leading to thoughtful designs and unique pieces that reflect their personal journeys. The process becomes not just about crafting an object, but about personal growth and self-discovery. As individuals gain confidence and experience, they often find that their projects evolve in complexity and ambition. What starts as a simple craft can lead to more intricate designs and innovative uses of materials. The limitations of minimal tools can spur experimentation with different techniques, such as joinery or finishing methods, encouraging woodworkers to expand their skill set while remaining true to their original vision. This journey of exploration can lead to unexpected results, resulting in pieces that embody both the creator's personality and the essence of the materials used. The satisfaction derived from overcoming challenges and achieving a final product that reflects one's efforts is a powerful motivator that keeps many engaged in the craft. Ultimately, the inspiration for creating woodworking crafts with minimal tools is a multifaceted experience that encompasses personal philosophy, environmental awareness, community engagement, and the therapeutic benefits of the craft itself. This approach encourages a focus on craftsmanship, creativity, and sustainability, allowing individuals to connect with their materials and express themselves through their work. As woodworkers embrace the beauty of simplicity and the joy of creation, they cultivate a sense of fulfillment that transcends the finished product, enriching their lives and the spaces they inhabit. Through the process of transforming raw wood into meaningful crafts, they not only enhance their own skills, but also contribute to a larger narrative of creativity, sustainability, and connection to the world around them. This inspiring journey into woodworking becomes a celebration of both the material and the maker, fostering a community of individuals who value craftsmanship, creativity, and the power of hands-on creation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking crafts design ideas crafted with minimal tools. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.